Welcome to another video. This is the Stx 12F. We just put the new motor in, and today we're going to put the intake side on. I got the intake right there. Took off the gasket, bought a new one. There we go, little part number. There we go. Slap that thing in there. And yeah, put this all together today and have this part of the intake done. So clean all this out and let's see how she runs. So the first things first, I'm going to clean the gasket off right around here. Put that new gasket on there, slap the bottom in, and then I'm going to go and file this down so it's not all like this. File this paint down so it's just bare metal right on it, and get this gasket all cleaned up too, so we can put her in there. So let's do that. Alrighty, and so with that time lapse all complete, that is a nice clean surface. I gotta do this. I'm not gonna do this off camera, so I could take it nice and slow and just take it slow. So I also did the bottom. Looks good. It's all nice and smooth. Don't worry about it. That's all like pitting and stuff from the inside. So alrighty, so I'm gonna put that gasket in, slap her right on in, and go from there. Oh, it's loose. Gotta make sure everything's all tightened up before it goes in here. So I'm gonna put the gasket on and then clean that, and I'll be right back. And a few days go by, I got the throttle body. I still need the gasket, but I am able to put the intake in. So I got the engine hoist ready to pick it up, move it forward so I can slide the intake down and in, and then put the motor back. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Alrighty, look at that. We got the intake back on. I'm going to put the engine back on the engine mounts, and then we will hook it all up. Alrighty, the motor is in. Sorry about the shakiness of that time lapse. Let's see if I can get this motor mount in. There we go. Alrighty, so the motor's back in. All secured down. Let me put all the motor mounts in, get the engine hoist out, and see what else we need to do. Alrighty, so I got the intake in, the fuel rail in. This is all temporary. I'm going to be taking off the injectors and soaking them, but this is the end result. Wow, excuse me. So we got the intake in, we got all the plugs hooked up. There are still a few missing, obviously, for the throttle body, which this I'm gonna throw on eBay for like 20 bucks. This one I got for 40, and it came with the correct position sensor and whatever sensor that is. So this one looks clean, doesn't look all too bad. I cleaned it already, so we'll slap that in once the gasket gets in, and then I will be ordering oil and spark plugs. Also, I will be ordering a new exhaust, because as you can see, that one's got a hole in it. So, and then hopefully she'll turn over, but that's a hope. Coming back here to the rear, I still need to buy the jet pump rebuild kit, because I just didn't do it yet. So I need that. not paying $1,000 for a new kit if I can rebuild it. So if you like what you see here, next video is going to be the exhaust, the gasket, spark plugs, putting in the oil, and maybe a start or even a turnover. Yeah, stay tuned, you never know. Things change like the weather here. So if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video.